Normally so expensive, but we found a deal for spring break at Uptown Alley in Surprise. It's only 15 bucks. It includes these snazzy shoes and a game of bowling. And you get a $15 game card for the arcade, or listen to this, a $10 game card and some laser tag. It's called the Spring Break Passport, but it's for 18 and under only. But parents, don't worry, there's plenty for you here too. You can hang out here in the sports theater or the restaurant and bar. The deal starts next Monday, runs through April 7th, and you can get as many as you want. All the details on our website, abc15.com/smartshopper.